First, you have to take a pan and pour about 1/4 cup of oil, vegetable oil preferably, and put it inside the pan. Once it is heated up, we will start. Add the mutton, which has been marinated since last night, in garlic paste. So this is about 2 pounds of mutton, so I have used 1.5 tablespoons of garlic paste, and just wait till it changes color and all the oil spurts out and all the water that it kind of releases is also out. Now add about a tablespoon of ginger paste. Once you have added a tablespoon of ginger paste, stir properly cook properly in medium flame for about 30 seconds to a minute, not more than that. After cooking for about a minute, add some salt to taste and add the onion paste. It should be 1 large onion, and that should be all. After adding the onion paste and salt, just keep stirring for a while to make sure that the onion is cooked properly, and again when the oil stops separating, that's an indication that we are ready to put the next group of spices in it. Add 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, then add 1.5 tablespoon of tumeric powder and stir properly till all the dry spices mix nicely. Keep the flame in medium right now. We'll add about 3 tomatoes pureed inside the mixture. To this we will add about 1/2 cup of water. After 2 pressure whistles, take off the lid and add whipped plain yogurt, and with the yogurt add a little bit of water. After putting in the pressure for about 15 to 20 minutes and 7 to 8 whistles, take the lid off. Your meat should be semi-cooked, almost like 80% cooked. After this, what basically remains is adding some more dry spices and some more salt to taste, and then finally mixing it and getting to the point where you would like the gravy to remain or not, depending on that, and then you can go ahead and add some more stuff. Add some more salt to it, then we'll go ahead and add some more coriander powder. Basically add about 1.5 teaspoons of coriander powder and mix it well. Once you have added the coriander powder, now it's time for you to add the garam masala powder, which is basically a mix of whole spices constituting of cardamom, cinnamon, bay leaves, cloves, and that's it. Once you have added everything, add some more salt to taste and make sure the taste is fine. Then from the top of the pot, add some freshly chopped coriander to garnish, and mix it nicely and close the pan and switch off the stove. And that's the final step. Switch off the stove. stove, close the lid, and we are done.